School books about Spanish history are being printed at Orimu Graphic Arts. Eliado Muñoz's company also produces travel guides, cookbooks, and encyclopedias. His printing business in Madrid is working to capacity, but the costs for paper and ink needed for each new order must be funded in advance, as customers only pay months later. So Muñoz often needs to take out a loan.
For a company like ours, we're talking figures of between €500,000 and €1 million, not huge numbers. The problem is that the banks demand very high guarantees. To get a loan, you must provide guarantees worth 3 to 4 times what they give you.
This means his company has great difficulties getting loans. The economic crisis hit his business hard, and that's made the banks wary. In 2008, Muñoz had to shut down 2 of his 4 printing businesses and let go half of his staff. Today, he employs 100 people. The entrepreneur doesn't think much of the European Central Bank's recent interest rate cut.
We're not much interested in the price of money. Our country, yes, but not we small business owners. Why? That's the way banks and the state get cheap credit. It's of no use to us because the cash never reaches us. It looks as if they're trying to make money flow more freely, but borrowing it is still hard and pricey.
The Corredor del Henares in northern Madrid is a region with 20,000 small businesses. They were hit hard by the economic crisis. Many went bankrupt or moved away. Business people from the region have gathered at the annual meeting of the Henares Entrepreneurs Association. Almost all find it hard to get credit. But the association's president has good news. The province of Madrid plans to invest €240 million in the region. He also views the ECB's interest rate cut as helpful.
I think it's very positive and will generate growth. The drop in the interest rate will help us find financing on the market. They did this for the benefit of small and medium-sized businesses. We'll see how this helps small businesses grow. I think it'll be very interesting.
Alcalá de Henares, the largest city in the region. José Carlo Díaz is a well-known economist in Spain and one of the Spanish government's harshest critics. He's been following Spanish Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy's plans for a new economic stimulus package and increased support for small businesses.
These plans are simply a hodgepodge of various measures. For instance, €700 million is to go to financing small and medium-sized companies. In Spain, these businesses have around €1 billion in debts, so creating a €700 million rescue package is like giving a critically ill patient a pain reliever.
Alcalá de Henares is the birthplace of Miguel de Cervantes, author of Don Quixote. When fighting the economic crisis, Spain must make sure that it, too, doesn't wind up tilting at windmills.